Welcome to Costa del Golfo, Airbnb and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe. Today we are cutting bamboo. We are trying to maintain sustainability in our building, and we are fortunate to have a good friend who has some land near the Airbnb, and she gave us permission to cut some of the bamboo that she has growing here. So today we're cutting and collecting the bamboo. We're gonna use the bamboo for interior structure and exterior structure, where we will build awnings and a nice little cabana rooftop for the Airbnb for shade. And as you can see, this bamboo is gorgeous. Aiden, do you know the kind of bamboo this is? Do you know what kind of bamboo this is?
The bamboo disease is from yellow bamboo, and it's original making here.
So it's a native species?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's our species. It's different species here.
And that's a different species of bamboo right here.
Caña de otate. Caña de otate.
Caña dotiate.
De otate.
Okay, and this, do you know the name of this one?
Yes, it's caña amarilla, yellow caña.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aiden.
Microphone.
So thanks for tuning in to Costa del Golfo Airbnb and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe. Please like and subscribe and watch for our next progress video. Thank you.